Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check TikTok passwords on iPhone, and here's how it is done. Just a heads up, you won't be able to access someone else's TikTok account. This only works for your own account, and you will need to have Touch ID or Face ID set up. You'll also need to have login into TikTok on your device at some point. To get started, open your settings app, scroll down until you find the passwords option. When you click on it, you'll be prompted to use biometric authentication like Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to unlock your passwords. If you don't have this enabled, you won't see this feature. Once you're in, you'll see a list of saved passwords. Just scroll down until you find TikTok. Click on it, and it should display your password and possibly your username as well. Remember, this will only show up if you've logged in into your TikTok on your iPhone before. After you have found your password, you can head back to TikTok and log in with your credentials. That's it. And that is everything you need to know about how to check TikTok password on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.